what do you want to do?
I'm pretty open. I just love like volume. A lot of the time, like of course, like the back of my hair like tends to get flat and like straight. That's probably why it's also
that's
like
a really common thing. Like people, for whatever, right out of here, if they're curly or else, they'll get those straight pieces. That is always the bane of their existence.
Yeah,
right there.
I don't mind it though. It's a little feathery.
It's cool. If anything, cool. It sort of kind of like works like to the length too.
Yeah.
Bella showed me some pictures too of like how you kind of like wear your hair. Like you have a lot of fun with it.
Yeah, I do. Thank you. Yeah,
that gives us some room, I think.
Yeah, absolutely. I just love like volume. A lot of the times when I do want to like diffuse my hair and style it like really big and like rocker chick, sometimes it just like falls flat up here. So maybe just my layers are growing
up. You do have layers up there, but we can. I can really push those up.
Okay, perfect.
Is there anything that's off limits? Like, are you like, this would be too short, or I mean,
I don't want to take too much length off.
I like the length that you have, and it's interesting that you did it with a razor in the best way. It's giving me vibes here that I want to lean into the rest of the way.
Perfect.
Like you said, if you're feeling flat here, let's go to town up here. How do you feel about bringing some stuff into your face?
I'm down. It's going to be like a mix of like a shag, mullet, wolf cut.
I'm not going to go crazy on the bang. I do want to tap into that lash line to where you can
wear to the front and also
bring this in.
Yeah. I love that. That way I can like tap into like my edginess, but also go commercial.
Totally. It's your career. You got to do what you got to do. Like you were saying, you want to be able to be like, okay, cool. I can open this up. I can shut it down.
Yeah.
But I'm going to shoot for when you are wearing this forward. It's like a very, very you thing.
Absolutely, yeah. I want it to like represent me. I can wear it multiple ways, but I still want to feel like me. Like even when I'm coming home from set, I'm like happy with my hair.
If you're not working and you're going out, it's your birthday, you get to do you. I want that to be a very, very specific thing that you're like, this is my shit.
This is my signature hair. Like,
very cool.
I mean, everyone knows me like for my hair. Everyone says like, because I have a twin sister, but we wear our hair very
totally
differently.
Different.
Like,
that's so
her
fun,
hair
though.
like is very down to her back. Because I have a twin sister, but we wear our hair very
totally
differently.
Different.
Her signature hair is kind of like hippie hair, like down to her back, like curly. Kind of like when you think of like Olivia Rodrigo and she had her hair really long.
Yep.
And then my signature hair is like, oh, like she's like the edgy twin, like has her like mullet shag. Like
I love your ink, like your style. Like, I think I got a really good idea as to what we're doing. It's not gonna be like this is a shag, this is a mullet. It's gonna be
a mixture of
everything. We're gonna kind of get that bang.
I like.
Perfect. Same for me.
Amazing. I'm so excited.
Yeah, me too. Very cool. You've got the perfect face for this too. I like the idea of kind of blinding this a little bit and then opening up that side profile. That's gonna be super fun.
It's the